Okay, we're using the new YouTube Live, showing the blizzard of 2017, March 2017 to be exact. We have about 8 inches of snow already. At the height, it's supposed to fall at about 2 inches an hour. See the swimming pool over there, my neighbor's balcony. I mean, it is a real blizzard for sure. It's a total whiteout. You can see the snow coming off the roof. I mean, it's just blowing down. That's a lot of snow. I'm sure they blocking all the traffic today so that the roads could stay free. It's actually very cold. It's in the 20s, and that wind is howling. It's supposed to get up to 50 miles an hour, so better off just staying put today. There's trees over there. I don't know if you can see them very well, but those trees are really blowing. The wind is supposed to pick up as the afternoon goes on. Yeah, I can hear and see those trees over there. That's a little art form in and of itself. So that's it. Springtime around the corner. Sure isn't springtime at the moment. If you're in Florida or some nice place, then you're in a good spot. This is a blizzard.